Hey there, and welcome to Ultimate Pet Training Mastery. I'm genuinely excited you are here because this is not just another pet training course, this is going to completely transform the relationship between you and your pet. Now, before we jump in, quick question for you. Is your pet doing something that secretly drives you crazy? Maybe barking too much, ignoring commands, scratching furniture, or just not listening at all? Don't worry, you are absolutely in the right place. Because by the end of this course, here's what you are going to be able to do. Understand exactly why your pet behaves the way it does. Train your dog or cat using proven positive techniques. Fix common problems like aggression, anxiety, and stubbornness. Build a strong, trusting bond with your pet, and even teach some really cool tricks along the way. And the best part, you don't need to be an expert. You don't need expensive tools. You just need consistency, and I'll guide you every step of the way. Now, let me tell you how this course is structured. We are going to move step by step, just like training your pet. Firstly, we'll start with the foundation, understanding pet psychology and how they actually learn. Then we'll set you up for success with the right tools, environment, and mindset. After that, we jump into practical training things like potty training and basic commands and stopping bad habits. Once you have got the basics, we'll level up into advanced obedience and behavior correction. This is where real transformation happens. And finally, we'll explore fun tricks, real life scenarios, and even how you can turn this skill into something bigger if you want. Now, here's something important. This is not a watch and forget course. I want you to pause, practice, and come back. Think of this as training you as much as your pet. So, here's your first small action step. Right after this video, take a moment and observe your pet. What do they do? How do they react to you? What habits stand out? Just notice, no judgment, because awareness is the first step to transformation. And one last thing. You're not alone in this journey. I'm right here with you, guiding you like a real trainer. Everything in detail and step by step. So, take a deep breath, grab some treats, maybe call your pet over, and let's begin this journey together. I'll see you in the next lecture.